Hello, I've just posted a tool to help you peer review the writing of your classmates. It has 3 steps. The first one is you would simply read through the work, just to familiarize yourself. The second step would do 3 things. You'd look for the main argument of the paper. You'd put a check mark on the left side to the evidence that support the argument, and that's very important in business writing, evidence. This is where your citations would go. And you would circle the conclusions. Then you would read it through a 3rd time, a final time, in more detail. And I list for you items that you should be looking for, stressing the kinds of things you've been reading about in the course. For example, is there a paragraph that's weak on the evidence of the argument? Does the conclusion draw the whole argument together? What's missing? Then kind of holistic questions. What's the best part of the paper? What needs the most improvement? Be very specific so that your teammate will know where to focus his or her energy on a rewrite. And don't forget, the sources within the paper paragraph are APA format, and at the end on your reference page would be in APA format. Well, I hope this less than 2-minute video and the tool that I've created will assist you in your work. Remember, this is a draft, and you will get video feedback from me for further improvement.